How to make a CPA grip account. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to make a CPA grip account. So if you like to earn commissions by promoting offers that requires users to complete specific actions such as filling out form, signing up, then this tutorial is for you. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type CPA or CPA grip and then click the very first link that you can see here. Okay, so this is CPA Grip's website. If you want to know more about this platform, you can scroll down and look at more information and the dashboard or the overview of CPA Grip. To get started, you have to click this one or you can tap the sign up button. It will take you directly to this, so all you have to do is to enter your first name, enter your last name, your company, your address, your website if you have, and then you can also or you must add your country, your city, state, region, postal code, phone number, Skype, and then strong password. And as you can see, this is my information, so I have added all of this. Once done, then what you're going to do next is you have to click register now. Okay, so you have to make sure that everything here is correct before you proceed. So once you're done with filling this form, you have to agree with your terms of service. So you have to click this three boxes right here and then tap register now. And here it is. So I strongly suggest that you open your email first and then open that link for you to get verified. So as you can see, we have here on the left side or panel, we have here dashboard. So typically if you tap this dashboard right here, you can see account notices, payment notice, top country breakdown, and some information of the people who have earned commission using this platform. Okay, so if you want to get verified, you have to go to your account settings in order for you to update your profile. So you just have to submit this documentations, this proof that they need in order for you to proceed and in order for you to be fully verified with your account. Okay, so as you can see, I can do that later. I'll just focus first on the options and features on the left side first for the sake of this tutorial. So for stats overview, you can see here the overview of your earnings, your clicks. As you can see, I haven't started yet, so it's 0. Also with the daily breakdown, actually you can filter this with a time frame like custom, today, yesterday, 3 days, or 1 week. Also with show all traffic and so on. Offer breakdown, it's the same thing. You can see here your daily activity graph, okay, and the clicks and leads. And for now, it's 0 because I haven't started yet. So for this tool breakdown and country breakdown here, for tool breakdown feature in CPA Grip provides insights into how different monetization tools are performing. And when it comes to country breakdown feature, it shows where your traffic is coming from, broken down by country. Talking about monetization tools here in CPA Grip, so this one, it allows affiliates to maximize their earnings through different types of offers and traffic engagement. So let's start with Content Locker. So Content Locker locks specific content on a web page, such as articles, videos, or downloadable resources, and requires users to complete an offer before they can access the content. So how it works, visitors must complete a CPA offer. When it comes to file lockers, so the link locker or file locker behind an offer requiring users to complete an action before they can access the link. So when users click on a locked link, they are redirected to a page with offers to complete before being able to access the original content. Going on offer walls. So the offer wall displays a collection of different CPA offers such as surveys, trials, or downloads in a single location on your site app. So talking about the offer tools here, the offer tools section refers to the part of the platform where you can access, manage, and promote various CPA. So if you look at the offers right here, they offer surveys, downloads, sign-ups, free trials, contests, and sweepstakes, dating, and games. So everything is up to you which one you want to use to earn commission. Okay, so we have here smart links. So below you can see here smart links. So for smart links is a dynamic URL provided by affiliate marketing networks like CPA Grip. And below you can see this RSS feed, or really simple syndication, is a type of web feed that allows users to subscribe to updates from a website, blog, or other content source. We have here JSON feed is a similar to an RSS feed, but it uses JSON or JavaScript object notation, which is a lightweight data interchange format to deliver content updates. And then here you can see the CSV export. It refers to the process of exporting a list of offers from the platform into a CSV, comma separated values file format. And then below here, you can see this CPA group postback tools. The features below here allow affiliates to automatically send conversion data such as leads, sales, or other actions back to the CPA network in real time. So CPA Grip also offer referral program. As you can see, you receive 5% commission on all earnings that your friends generate. So all you have to do is to copy this link, and if your friend click this one, register, and then they start earning commission, then you can receive 5% for that. Payment center. So if you want to add your payment method and see your payment status, you just have to see it right here. Also, you can see your payment schedule, your payment details below. Everything is here under Payment Center. So feel free to add your payment method. As you can see, there is PayPal here. You just have to add your PayPal email address. Okay, so for account settings, if you want to change something about your account, your info, just go here and then edit your email, name, company, submit documents, okay, and so on. If you encounter some problems, you can go to support and then submit a request, or you can see here FAQs, or contact them if ever you encounter some problems and difficulties when using CPA Group. And if you want to ask some questions like how can you start earning money and a lot more questions, you can go to frequent questions and you'll see all the answer right here. Okay, like what is a view, a click, a lead. So it's very important to know these things before starting, okay, so that it would be easier for you to understand everything. And then we have here contact tools, so you can just email them to support at cpagrip.com. So basically, these are the features and options that you can see on the left side of this CPA grip. Let's go on to this right side right here. So if you receive any message or comments or notifications, or if you want to change the theme into dark light, if you want to do this chat enable chat sound, you just have to click this options and icons above here. Okay, now how to earn in CPA Grip. Earning money with CPA Grip, or a cost per action affiliate network, involves promoting offers and earning commissions. As you can see, these are the websites or platforms that you can promote. So when users complete a specific action, such as a signing up for a service, filling out a form, or making purchase, then probably you can earn commission after they do that. So you can sign up for CPA Grip, choose offers to promote, generate your affiliate links right here, promote your offers, and then maximize your earnings, and then get paid. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to make a CPA Grip account. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.